Your neighborhood Do-It-Best store is your first and best choice for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. If you've got a tile job ahead of you, you need to know about this because this little add-on can make a big difference in the life of your tile. Let's talk about this. Todd with MD, what do we have here?
Well, this is part of our PROVA brand product line. So as you do a tile job in your home, what happens is your subfloor is always moving all the time. You get a movement like this, you're going to get cracking, but 90% of the time it's moving this way, so you get a little bit of cracking. What happens is when that tile moves with that subfloor, that substrate that you have, whether it be plywood or concrete in your home, when it moves, it takes that crack in that subfloor and transfers it to the tile, which then cracks the tile or your grout, and you've put down a really nice tile job. The last thing you want is cracking in your tile.
That's not good for anybody. How does this fix that?
So what you have here is you have to use thin set anyway to put your tile down. So instead of putting just the one thin set straight to the subfloor, you do thin set, then you do the PROVA-FLEX product with the white membrane down, then another row of thin set, and then your tile. So what happens is with this down here, this is constantly moving with the structure, and you don't get that cracking transferred to your tile job.
So that's a really smart way to make sure that your tile looks good, your grout looks good over the long term. Tell us what happens, like how's it work in the product?
The white membrane's actually down. You can't see it here on this,
Sure.
but down. And what happens is as the cracks get a little larger, this membrane actually forgives and will actually, in some cases, will tear before it transfers that to your tile job above there. It's also a lightweight product, so for throwing in the back of a truck, or back of a car, it's easy to take home.
Right, easy for a do-it-yourself.
Yep.
and contractor.
And contractors both, yes, sir.
All right, that's amazing. That's PROVA-FLEX from MD, and it's available at your neighborhood Do-It-Best. Do-It-Best is your first and best choice in home improvement with thousands of products available. Check them out today.